Okay, so in previous videos, we've been working our way up to the full conversation, how are you, and I'm good, and how are you, and all of those things. And now we're going to sort of add the last element to that, and it's 我, which means I. But now please remember that when we learned ni, which we did earlier, then that meant both the subject and the object. So it's the same now that we learn 我, meaning that 我 can mean I, but it can also mean me. So that's quite easy, actually. And also another thing that I want you to notice is that we don't overuse subjects. So instead of saying, I'm very good, you would say, very good, so long as the context makes it clear who's good. We're good, good, how, good, good, good. And now we're actually able to have a full-on conversation like, hi, how are you? I'm fine. And you? I'm fine. Bye-bye. Let's enjoy all of those beautiful Chinese words now. 哦，你好。
你好。
你好吗？
我很好，你呢？
我不好。
好，拜拜。